Hello and welcome back to the Impression Wiz channel. I'm your host, the Impression Wiz, and today I thought I'd do another voice impression tutorial. And it's not necessarily a full voice impression, more as in like a certain part you can do to add to your voice impressions, if that makes sense. It's going to be kind of a very simple video, but I'm going to explain the best I can anyway on how to add like a lisp to your speech and like varying degrees of lisp as best as I can. So a basic one that I've learned is just a little bit of a lisp that just barely the top of your roof of your mouth feels your tongue when you lisp. And it's very gentle, but it's there. You can clearly hear it. And it's kind of what I do for Solix sometimes. Little insight on him. But basically it's just a little on the back of your tongue, like lisp. It's kind of hard to explain, so but I hope you're getting what I'm getting at. Another one that I like, a certain kind of lisp, is technically the elongated S's. I guess it's a hiss more than a lisp. You know what? This is going to be the video lisps and hisses. So, which I guess they kind of go hand in hand if you think about it. Usually for snakes, though, I elongate S's, so it's salutations. Basically, it's, oh, and now I can't get out of it. Anyway, you take the S sound normally, and you keep holding the S sound. It's pretty basic, but you can do that with your voices and make it sound kind of snake-like. Especially if you added a bit of a higher range than you should normally talk at. Higher and kind of sneakier, if that makes sense. But for the final lisp is like the major lisp, where it's basically so strong there's no way you can get around it. And basically, it's pushing your tongue all the way in front of your teeth and almost out of your teeth when you say S's. You can even see in the video when I say certain things with this. I even do it on some that aren't S's because they have kind of a hissy sound. And I apologize for what my phone might be doing during this. But basically, those are simple things you can throw into your voices to make them sound a certain way. Like if you're trying to do a little bit of a nerdy thing, putting a little bit of a lisp in there kind of helps. If you want super nerdy, then super lisp it is. And then just add the hiss for any snake-like characters or even sneaky characters you want that sound sneaky. I hope that kind of helps out. I know this is kind of a shorter one than I've done before, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned some a little bit. And if you liked it, please put a like on the video. If you want to see more of my content, ring that notification bell so you don't miss anything I upload. And as always, I will see you Wednesday.